Hi guys, this is Vikas Kashyap, the analyst. I made this Power BI report, which is definitely interactive. I created a different time intelligence function to find out the current year order, profit, quantity, revenue, previous year orders, previous year profit, previous year quantity, previous year revenue, and year to year orders, year to year profit, year to year revenue, and so on. Like this, I also created some other DAX function like to find the total revenue, total quantity that has been sold, total profit, total orders. All these DAX functions I created, and these green boxes are very dynamic. Like if year to year total revenue is negative, it turns into red, and like this all these boxes. As if I select central region only, then year to year revenue is negative. All these visuals are interactive and dynamic. I also created this decomposition tree, and the decomposition tree gives you a lot of information in just one chart. Like all the data here is all about 2017. If you want to get the data of 2018, just click here, and if you want to get the data of 2019, just click here. And this chart is dynamic. Like this is all about total revenue. If you want this decomposition tree by total quantity, just click here. If you buy total profit, click here. And total order, total discount, revenue per order, quantity per order, profit margin, all this data comes here in just one click. I also created this Python chart, and this Python chart has been created by using three libraries: Pandas, Seaborn, and Matplotlib, and the code of this chart is here. I also created key influencer chart. If you want to suggest me anything to improve this report, I really like to hear those words. Thank you for watching.